Good morning, JK Adventure fans. Y'all already know who it is. It's your boy KIRK. On this beautiful day, I'll have JUANA fill in whatever day it is. You guys see my hand. You guys see the beautiful street. You see the beautiful sun, the beautiful clouds, the beautiful sky. Everything's beautiful on this beautiful day. So hopefully everybody wakes up in a good mood and we can have an awesome day, guys. Boom, boom, boom. What's up, JK Adventure fans? Your boy just got off of work, but I'm on my way home. And me and Juanita, we're gonna go for a little bike ride tonight. You know, a little beach cruiser vibe with the beautiful weather outside and nature, taking on the elements and stuff. But wow, there is a lot of people out right now. I work close to downtown, so I drive through downtown every day. So that's pretty cool for me. But one note that I kind of find a little weird, or not even a note, just a statement. Why are people wearing their mask under their chin while they're driving? I get it if maybe you're in Uber, you got to put it on when you pick up your person, blah, 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 blah. But people be on 95 with their mask just like a damn chin diaper, looking real weird. If you want to look weird when you drive, then you do that. But why? So comment down below and let me know why. So weird. Just had to get that off my chest real quick. But hope everybody had a great day. I'm ready for tonight, ready to party and ride my bicycle.
Hi guys, so we made it to our destination to go BMX bike riding. KIRK is currently getting the bikes off. Ooh, look at him. Look at his little bikes. We got our little bikes on the rack. Right, babe?
I lubed this up today. Oh my God, so much better.
Okay, anyways. So yeah, we came downtown West Palm Beach, downtown City Place, to go bike riding. We usually come here just to mess around and ride our bikes, but we're gonna insert the footage of us bike riding right now.
Boom, what's up guys? So we're on the bicycles, the tiny bicicletas. Sorry for the lighting, we're on a GoPro. Sorry for the audio, we're on a GoPro. We're waiting for the shoebies to leave. This is my redemption spot. Last time I was here, hopefully Juanita still has a clip. We'll insert it right now. I gotta remake that and I gotta land that. So right now is not the time. I probably gained like 20 pounds since that time, and I'm having some very bad stomach issues. So
if you know what he means.
I gotta warm up and then we'll give it a wang danga, all right?
Come on, JK Adventures, comment down below if you think KIRK's gonna make it. It better be yes, because he's gonna make it. You got this, baby boy. There he goes, look at him go.
Too old for this shit. Too fat for this shit. Y'all that BMX are probably like, oh, it's been a minute. It's been a minute.
Come on, baby, you got this. Sorry for the background noise, guys. We're clearly at the middle of the Kravis Center. If you're from West Palm, you know where that's at. Wow, look at my baby go. Oh shit, I wasn't recording.
I hope you got enough.
I did. I got the whole thing.
Got it. Knew in my mind I could get in, I got it. Let's get out of here before the cops come.
It's all about dreaming and believing, baby. Dreaming and believing.
I hope it was clean. Felt clean.
It did feel clean.
Now I landed my trick. I got that off my shoulder. We're just gonna cause havoc in the middle of the streets of downtown. So I'll probably try filming that one. Ready?
Yeah. Let's go. probably a weird fact for the JK Adventure fans, but me riding a motorcycle really makes me get low on my BMX.
Whoa, get low.
You know what I mean? Like on the turns, like I feel like I get low.
Woo.
Because if I'm riding a motorcycle. Anyways, TMI.
Good shit, good shit.
What's up, guys? So as you saw earlier, we were BMXing and we made it to downtown Clematis. If you're from here, you know where it's at, but they have little new waterfalls with the lights, and then they got Sandy, I believe her name is Sandy, the Sand Castle Christmas tree. It's so cute if you come in person. If you're from here, you come here, but you should definitely check it out during Christmas time. And they got the lights to match the little post. The music goes to it. So cute. This is the definition of a Florida Christmas. Right here, a sandcastle Christmas tree.
What's up, bitches?
Oh, he thinks he's cool. Oh, he thinks he's cool. Come on, baby, you got this. That's my bike right there, guys, on the floor. Come on, hit it. Woo! Look at that.
It's a line. It's a wrap.
That's the end of the vlog.
Peace out,
Sign him
guys.
out.
See you tomorrow.
No, tell him what to do first.
Like, subscribe, follow, and share some love.
Woo!
Chip coming at you. 1, 2, 1, 2. Chip coming at you.